Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gajar ka Halwa. This is a very simple, easy and delicious recipe. We'll need 1 kg of carrots, couple of cans of condensed milk, few green cardamoms or Elaichi, and oil and ghee. You can also add butter and you can change the ratio according to your preference. Let's get started. First, we will peel and wash the carrots really well, and then I've used a blender to grate the carrots, but you can also grate them by hand if you want. So here are the grated carrots, which is about 8 to 10 cups of grated carrots. Now we'll heat up some oil and ghee in the pan, and once it's heated, we'll add the cardamom or elaichi and fry them in the oil for a few seconds. Then we'll add the carrots. At this point, you want to turn the heat high and saute the carrots for about 5 minutes. Add about 1 or 2 cups of water and mix it well. You want to cover and cook it for about 1 hour on medium. If you have a pressure cooker at this point, you can use that as well. So after 1 hour, you will see that the carrots have reduced about half in quantity, but there is still a little bit of water left, so I will turn the heat to high and reduce the excess water. Once it's a little dry, we will add the condensed milk and saute the mixture on medium for about 5 to 10 minutes. So after 7 to 10 minutes of sauteing on medium, you will see that it's become nice and dry again. And at this point, it's ready to serve. So you can garnish it with some khoya and sliced almonds. Thank you so much for watching.